Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. A man's worth is no greater than his ambitions. People are not disturbed by things, but by the view they take of them. The art of living is more like wrestling than dancing. No man is free who is not a master of himself. Reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. Because a thing seems difficult for you, do not think it impossible for anyone to accomplish. All philosophy lies in two words: sustain and abstain. When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. The essence of philosophy is that a man should live so that his happiness shall depend as little as possible on external things. The object of life is not to be on the side of the majority, but to escape finding oneself in the ranks of the insane. The world turns aside to let any man pass who knows where he is going. Never let the future disturb you. You will meet it, if you have to, with the same weapons of reason which today arm you against the present. It is the nature of the wise to resist pleasures, but the foolish to be a slave to them. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Know, first, who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly. Nothing has such power to broaden the mind as the ability to investigate systematically and truly all that comes under thy observation in life. Make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens.
Thank you for listening. We update regularly, so do subscribe to our channel and like the video.